Peggy Gordon, you are my darling. Come sit you down upon my knee and tell to me the very reason why I am slighted so by thee. I'm so in love that I can't deny it. My heart lies smothered in my breast, but it's not for you to let the world know it. A troubled mind can know no rest. I put my head to a glass of brandy. It was my fancy, I do declare, for when I'm drinking, I'm always thinking and wishing Peggy Gordon was here. Wish I was in some lonesome valley where womankind could not be found, where little birds sing upon the branches, and every has a different sound. Oh, Peggy Gordon, you are my darling. Come sit you down upon my knee and tell me the very reason why I am slighted so by thee. The girl's a fool, she brought the rules, she hurt him hard. This time he will break down. She's lost his trust and so she must know all is lost. The system has broke down. Romance has broke down. This boy's cracking up. This boy's broken now. This boy's cracking up. This boy has broke down. She plays it hard, she plays it tough, but that's enough love. the old town. It's not the same, honey, with you not around. I've been spending my time in the old town. I sure miss you, honey, but you're not around.